Hello and welcome to Shea Academy online teaching classes. Today I am going to continue lesson 1, the Black Beauty. In the previous video I have already given you the hard words and its English meaning. Today again we will revise the same hard words but with its Hindi meaning. So the first word is tale. T-A-L-E, tale. Tale means kahani, to narrative or story. Again, tale. Tale means kahani, the true narrative or story. The next word is handsome. 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 Handsome means sundar and its English meaning is attractive. Handsome, sundar, attractive. The next word is farm. 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 Farm means khet, an area of land used for growing crops. Farm means khet, an area of land used for growing crops. The next word is carefree. Carefree. Carefree means laparwaha. Means with no problems or worries. Carefree means laparwaha with no problems or worries. The next word is colt. Means घोड़े का बच्चा, a young male horse. Again colt. Colt means घोड़े का बच्चा, a young male horse. The next word is enough. Enough. Enough means बस या काफ़ी and its English meaning is as much as. Enough, बस या काफ़ी, as much as. The next word is gallop. Gallop. Gallop means सरपट, to go at the faster speed. Gallop means सरपट, to go at the faster speed. The next word is kick. Kick. Kick means lath, to hit or move something with your foot. The next word is kind. Kind means meherban, means caring about others. Kind means meherban, the caring about others. The next word is born. born. Born means उत्पन्न होने वाला, means to come into the world by birth. Born means उत्पन्न होने वाला, to come into the world by birth. The next word is twice. TWICE, twice. Twice means दो बार, means two times. Twice, दो बार, two times. The next word is gentle. GENTLE, gentle means sajjan and kind and calm. The next word is plow, means hull, a large farm tool which is pulled by a tractor. Now next word is hide. Hide means chipna, or it means to keep something secret. The next word is hedge. Hedge means rokna, a way of protecting oneself against financial loss. Once again, hedge. Hedge means rokna, a way of protecting oneself against financial loss. Next word is happened. Happened means घटित होना, as a matter of fact. Again, happened means घटित होना, as a matter of fact. Next word is notice. Notice means खबर या ध्यान देना, detect or observe. Notice means खबर या ध्यान देना, detect or observe. Next is cruel. Cruel means निर्दयी, to cause physical or mental pain. Next word is scolded, means फटकारना, to speak angrily to somebody. Scold means फटकारना, to speak angrily to somebody. Next word is examined. Examined means जांच करना या to verify. Again, examine means to जांच करना or verify. Now next word is trouble. Trouble means musiba, difficulty or problem. Trouble means musiba, difficulty or problem. Next word is grazed, means घास खाना, eat grass in a field. Graze means घास खाना, eat grass in a field. Next word is meadow. meadow means घास का मैदान, a piece of grassland. Again meadow means घास का मैदान, a piece of grassland. The next word is creature. Creature means जीव, भूत या प्राणी, a fictional or imaginary being. The next word is realized means एहसास करना, understand clearly. Realized एहसास करना, understand clearly. The next word is harness means घोड़े का साज, a set of straps and fittings by which a horse is fastened to a cart, plow, etc. and is controlled by its driver. Now next word is startled means हैरत में डालना, feeling or showing sudden shock or alarm. Now next word is saddle means घोड़े की जिन, a seat fastened on the back of horse or other animal. Now next one is bridle means लगाम लगाना, a headgear used to control a horse. Again bridle means लगाम लगाना, a headgear used to control a horse. Okay student, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to write down all the hard words with its Hindi and English meaning both and learn it also.